So if you just tell me your name.
Alright. Yeah, I'm Melvin from travelboots.org, and yeah, I'm here in Edinburgh for the first time in Scotland ever, and my friend, the budget traveller, he told me for years how amazing it is to have Hogmanay the party. I've actually never really heard about it, but I've got some information about it. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it already right before it sounds to be an amazing event, and I'm really curious how it will be. I'm really happy to be here.
What are you most looking forward to?
Sorry?
What are you most looking forward to?
Oh, just the experience, the atmosphere. It's so hard to say because there are so many events. I've seen that with that there's like a dog parade, the guys jumping into the river. That all sounds so crazy. I've heard the fireworks are amazing with the castle in the background. So there's the street party, the people outside. It's I have no idea what I'm looking forward. I'm just I'll be here and just see what happens. I'm really happy to be here.
Excellent. Cheers.